subject is English, and today I'm going to explain this beautiful poem of 7th standard, and the name of the poem is Freedom's Flow. Now, what are the things that we live for? What are the things that we really need? What are the things that we really want? Those things are freedom, brotherhood, democracy. This is a very beautiful poem of section C, and again I'm repeating, the name itself is Freedom's Flow. Do you think that is it possible to live without freedom? You already have experienced this recently at the time of the lockdown, even when we did not have any kind of freedom. We were told to stay at home. We were made to stay at home, and that was for our good only. But then also those days were really very horrible. No one would like to stay like this forever. Even the people, they understood that how painful it must be for the birds. The birds are being caged by the people forever. And how it feels when you have been caged, when you have no freedom to go outside, when you are getting everything, but the condition is you have to stay at home. How does it feel? So it's a right of every person to be free. So at first, at the beginning, when human being came to this world, he first of all used to live like that only on the plain ground with the grass, greenery, animals, birds, water, everything, and he enjoyed a lot. But later on, when his brain developed, he thought that I can have more fun here. Then he began to build buildings. Then he began to grow the crops. He started irrigation and all everything. Then he began to stitch clothes for himself. And this was not done by himself only, but he was the beginner. He first did it alone, but later on he decided, let's have a community, let's join other people also into this community, and let's spread everything. So in this way, togetherness came into existence. Togetherness came to an existence. People learned to live in community. People learned to live with peace. People learned to help each other. This was the beginning. And you can see now that where the world has come to. It was difficult at first in the beginning, but now it has become much easier, because now the human beings a man has invented machines for his great help, and that is a very big help to every human being, because he doesn't have to put any kind of effort now by himself. Instead, he uses machines for each and every work. So this was the invention done by a human being. I hope you like the poem. Thank you so much.